let's check in with Tim, who can give us a hint of what the weather's going to be looking like from Brisbane. Hello, Timmy.
Yes, good morning to you guys. A beautiful morning. I tell you who has been busy. The senior students here at St Peter Chanel at the Gap in Brisbane. These boys and girls are into the last 2 weeks of term 3, then they come back for term 4, and then it is off to high school. Before that though, they've got something they've been working really hard on for the incoming preppies for next year. I'll tell you what that is, but first let's talk about the weather across Australia today. We'll show you with our major centres right now and check out what's happening temperature-wise. Cairns, a couple of showers about here and there, a top of 29 degrees. Brisbane, partly cloudy today and a high of 25. Fine and clear at the moment, a lovely morning. For the Gold Coast, mostly sunny, 24. Sydney, it's going to be a warm summer's day, 28 degrees and fine. Canberra, a possible morning storm around. Some showers throughout the course of the day, 22 the high. A shower or two and 20 for Melbourne. Hobart, showers and greasing and 18 today. Adelaide, good morning. Cloud clearing, a top of 20. Perth, a shower or two and 16. Alice Springs, a shower or two, a possible storm, 33. And Darwin, partly cloudy, a top today of 34 degrees. Beck O'Connor is the principal here at St Peter Chanel Catholic Primary School at the Gap and joins me. Lovely to be here with all of these students.
Thank you for being here.
Firstly, you put the call out to say, hey kids, come to school nice and early on a Monday morning. We've got the whole school here.
Great turnout.
You did very well. And that goes to show, obviously, with the leadership from the top down, you do an amazing job, and your staff and your team as well. You've been teaching around 15 years. Tell us a little bit about the school. You love it?
Oh, I love it. Love waking up and coming to work each and every day. And you saw the community, the way they showed up this morning.
Yeah, big time.
I'm blessed.
Yes,
yeah.
you are.
Yeah.
Now, you've been keeping your seniors very busy.
I have.
Ready, set, prep. What's that?
Yeah, so it's an amazing program initiative that we started last year to support kindy kids transitioning into their first formal school year. So it's been amazing. They've been a part of it as well and welcoming our new kindy kids into prep for next year.
Yeah.
And part of that welcome gift they make is a bag tag with the 3D printer.
Show us what you've got. Have a look at these. They've got the 3D printer going, so of course using that new technology. Sarah, we've got a little bag tag incoming for you. We've got one for Carl over here, Danica, and Jane. They even spelled your name correctly. It is wonderful. A great way to make all these and give them to the little preppies as they come in here, so they've got their name tags on their bags and they feel nice and welcome. That is a lovely thing to do. I hope the kids at high school are as welcoming to all of you as you transition off to school next year, guys. Hey, well done, Year 6. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you with more from St Peter's Chanel here at the Gap in Brisbane, coming your way just after 6:30. See you soon.
So
Big
sweet.
waves.
Still remember your first day of school? I do.
I don't actually. It was a long
Really?
time ago, Carlos.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not as long as it was for me.
No, I know. I would
And I
just
still
have bad memory.
remember.
What day is it?
I
Where
don't
am
know.
I?
I'm not sure.